Today we will be making a tuna salad. So we'll start with a can of tuna that we've drained. We're kind of mashing up the tuna a little bit just to make it easier to work with when we're making our salad. To the tuna, we'll be adding in a mix of ingredients. So here in this bowl, we have some bell peppers, some lime juice, some chives, and some chili peppers as well. So we just added in some parsley and spring onions to the bowl. We'll be adding in some mayo. And to this, we'll also be adding in our Trini hot pepper sauce. So now that all the ingredients have been added in, we will mix it up. So our tuna salad is now complete. Looks nice and colorful and very delicious. Thank you for tuning in.